So I did make a video in FC Mobile about the Rivals event and how to prepare for it, but I've seen a lot of questions about what investments you should make straight away when the event comes out and what you should do. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's what I'm gonna explain in this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So basically, when we get that new event, we're gonna get a lot of new cards, of course, a lot of high overall cards, as well as we're gonna get some exchanges. First of all, if you go into the exchanges section, you will see right now we've got the UCL exchanges, which are 80 to 87 overall, 84 to 89 overall, and 88 to 91 overall player exchanges. And you're gonna get the same type of exchanges, the same exact exchanges actually, in the rival section as well. But it's gonna be the fact that we're gonna get rival players instead of the UCL players that we're getting right here. And basically what that means is we are most likely gonna see the same exact requirements for rivals events. So for example, for 80 to 87 overall rivals player, we will need 470 plus overall attackers, 370 plus overall midfielders, and 470 plus overall defenders. For the 84 to 89 overall player pack, we will need 80 pluses, attackers, midfielders, and defenders. And for 88 to 91 overall player pack, we will need 84 plus overall attackers, midfielders, and defenders. So best investment you can make straight away when the event comes out are probably to go ahead and invest in 84 plus overall attackers, midfielders, and defenders, because a lot of people are gonna be wanting to do that 88 to 91 overall player exchange. Now we don't know 100% that the exchange requirements are gonna be the same exact ones as the UCL ones. I'm just predicting it because that is what has been happening with this season so far, right? We're getting the same type of exchanges and we're getting the same type of requirements for them as well. As I said, it might not be the same exact ones, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the exact one or very, very similar to that. So make sure you don't invest in any of these players right now. You should go ahead and check out the new exchanges when we get that Rivals event, and you should go ahead and invest in them straight away. When the event comes out, you will be able to go through all the exchanges, and you can go ahead and invest in all of these cards that you want. Now we are also gonna get a lot of new players, as I said. For example, we're gonna get a free right back Zanetti card. Most of you have probably got that. Not most of you, some of you have probably got that 88 overall Zanetti already in your team, which is what is it called? Now and Later, not Now and Later. It's called something else. Pioneer card, right? Pioneer card. Some of you have probably got that card from last season, for example, but we are also gonna get a new 92 overall Zanetti card in Rivals event, during Rivals event, and that means the 88 overall base version, not that card, of course, not the Pioneer card. That card is untradeable, but the normal card, normal Zanetti card, is gonna be going down in price a lot. Right now he's 9 million coins. He has gone down quite a bit in price already, but when the actual event comes out, he's gonna go down even more, because a lot of people will know they are gonna be able to get a free Zanetti card in FC Mobile. The same position, of course, right back, 88 overall. This is 88 overall, but we're gonna get 92 overall for free. So this Zanetti card is definitely gonna go down in price a lot, and when he goes down in price a lot, that is the time you should go ahead and invest in this Zanetti card, because it's gonna go back up, right? If it goes down to like 5 mil, 4 mil, whenever, you should go ahead and invest in him. You should track him you should definitely track him, put him in your watch list position just like that, and then you're gonna be able to know pretty much when he goes down to his lowest. The same exact type of link with Maldini as well. We're gonna get a Maldini card for free, 92 overall. I guess I spelled it wrong, but we're gonna get the 92 overall Maldini. No, you're gonna have a chance, right? You need to open some packs and complete some challenge, some exchanges, but we are probably gonna get a free Maldini. Right now we've got the 92 overall Maldini card right there. That is worth 32 million coins, somewhere around that range. He already went down in price a bit, but he's gonna go down even more when we get that 92 overall Maldini for free. Obviously that one is gonna be a lot back, so it's a little bit annoying, but he's probably gonna be able to play as a centre back as well, as one of his alternative positions when you go ahead and rank him up, of course. So that's gonna be alright. Just because we're gonna get free Maldini and free Zanetti, both of these cards are gonna go down in price, and that is gonna be the time you should go ahead and invest in Maldini, in Zanetti. Not only these cards, as I said, the exchanges as well. 84 plus overall players are definitely decent ones to invest in. I think they're definitely gonna go up if the new exchanges are gonna be the same exact ones as you go right now. Again, don't buy Maldini and Zanetti right now. You should go ahead and put them into your watch list. And you should track their prices, and whenever they go down to their lowest, you should go ahead and buy them because they're gonna go back up as well. Other than that, all the high overall cards that you go in your team right now, I would most likely sell them because most likely some of the prices are gonna go down in price because we've got so many high overall cards that we're gonna get in Rivals event. For example, straight away we will get 88 overall center back, right? Eder Militao. We're gonna be able to get that Eder Militao card for free straight away. So cards like Saliba, cards like 88, 86, 87 overall center backs might go down in price a lot. Not Kunde, I don't think, because he's already very, very cheap. But the cards, if you got the cards that are quite expensive for their ratings, you should definitely go ahead and sell them. For example, I'm gonna sell this Kobel card soon. He's going up in price a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell him as well as this Ederson card right there. You should definitely sell these type of cards because they're not they have a very, very good chance to go down in price when people see all the new cards that are gonna be coming out. Of course, throughout the new event. For example, we're gonna get like left back Hernandez, of course, as well, 94 overall Theo Hernandez. So left backs that are high overall, some of the high overall left backs might go down in price a lot. For example, Ake is gonna go down. Roberto Carlos might go down in price as well. If a lot of people are gonna be able to get that 94 overall Theo Hernandez whenever. We don't know when we're gonna get that, but whenever we get that, if we are gonna be able to get that for free, of course. Or by paying a little bit of money, still some people are gonna do that, so the left back prices are gonna go down, and pretty much the same type of thing is gonna happen with every single position as well. But let me know down in the comment section what you think about the Rivals event. You probably know all about it at this point. If you don't, you can go on and check the video out that I made today or yesterday was. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Make sure you go ahead and do complete the rule breakers, UCL section, icon journey section, of course, every single one of these, complete the challenge mode. Let me go ahead and claim my Mr. Resigning player. Actually, you can go ahead and get 72 88 overall player pack. Why not just go ahead and claim that? We're gonna get, was it Bardi? Okay, we got Bardi. And the second player is gonna be a center back, which is gonna be an icon as well. It's obviously gonna be Ronald Koeman. If you don't know, the center back, the Dutch center back that used to play for Barcelona legend. And the other one is obviously 88 overall Shevchenko. Let me know which one you're gonna choose. After we get 3 of these mystery signings as well, we will be able to get one of these rewards. 92 overall mystery signing player untradeable with 81 overall Dudek, 91 overall untradeable with 100,000 coins and 2 Dudeks, or 90 overall tradable card with 91 overall Javier Mascherano. That's gonna be the end of the video for today then. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.